Hello, teacher. That is my personal information book from the English Asignature, Unit 1. The task is introducing myself to my English tutor. Begin. My name is Jesus David Garay. I am 20 years old. I'm from Colombia. I live in Planeta Rica, Córdoba. I was born on February 17 from the 2002 year. My number phone is 3123399973. My email is jesusgaray2002 at gmail.com. I like to sing. I am an English bachelor student at the Caribbean University Corporation, SECAR. I live with my parents, my two sisters, and my nephew. Thank you.